Welcome to a very short and spontaneous video. So as you can see here, my CoinMarketCap is, well, quote unquote, glitching. But what seems to be happening here is that, as you know, the CoinMarketCap is the average price of all the markets for each asset. And I am assuming here that somebody's feeding fake data feeds to CoinMarketCap. So if I refresh the website, let's see what's going on here. So the website looks good, but either they did a mistake with the estimations, but you can see here that it seems quite strange that the price of Bitcoin is whatever and the price of XRP is $45,000 and so on. And I'm assuming that one of the data feeds here is delivering wrong data, incorrect data. And you can see here that Binance, yeah, it's quite simple. CoinMarketCap is doing a mistake here. So you can see here that because it can't be that all the data feeds are wrong here, you can't tell me that Binance and Coinbase and FTX and so on are all delivering wrong data feeds. Yeah, they're doing a conversion mistake or whatever. But obviously, this does not reflect the actual price of Bitcoin in any way. So if we just have a quick look at CoinMarketCap, and Binance, you can see that the actual price right now is all the orders in between this range here. And we can see that, that right now it's saying that the Binance price is for $88,000. So CoinMarketCap is having some issues here. And yeah, that's the main reason why all of that is happening. So don't worry, or don't think anything. Yeah, it's not liquidity testing, whatever the story is. So some people are telling you again, we have the same, oh no, is Solana worth that much as XRP? Oh, XRP is $80,000 worth or whatever. CoinMarketCap is just having some issues while parsing the data feed, it seems. Because if we look at the markets again, we can see that all the markets for XRP are showing the right price here. We can also look at the perpetuals and so on. You can see that all these prices are here. I meant the price is not correct. It's not $1.50. So no, that price is also incorrect. Also, if we look at Binance, we can see that the actual prices are ranging between the $0.81 and around $0.81. And it might be that they're, like I said, they might be just displaying or accidentally wrong data or whatever. It seems like the issues with CoinMarketCap and not with the data feeds, as I just assumed before. And yeah, so you can see, Tether is worth 6 million. So one Tether is worth $6.3 million. Yeah, seems about right. That's the main reason here. So don't worry, I don't know. So I'm assuming we will have some wild fears again. Yeah, liquidity testing worldwide. It's going on, guys. It's happening. I don't know. Sorry for trying to speak rational here again. So obviously, sometimes the user front ends do not reflect the how things actually are. So it's very important to understand. You're seeing right now some data feed, but the data feed does not necessarily reflect what's the right word? Reflect the truth, I would assume. Because as you can see here and in all the other markets, I would just have to check any other market. But if obviously the pricing of market cap is just the average price from all the data feed they get from all the markets. And yeah, in this case, it's saying here under Binance that it's $88,000. And as you know, CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance. So if I would just Google it, you would see it. The only point I'm trying to make here is that what was it? Damn it. The only point I'm trying to make here is that I just assumed that they, like I said, just did a mistake with parsing the data feeds or something like that, or that they're delivering the wrong data. And that's why the prices are being shown here incorrectly, and therefore if they average all these things here, they get, in this case, 17,000. Because if you add all these numbers here and then divide, so obviously you know how to calculate the average, you just sum up all the different prices divided by the number of markets, and then you get, in this case, the 11. Oh wow, it's much more than that right now. It's showing much more than that. It's showing 11.2 billion US dollars. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, all right. So that okay. Now it's going crazy. Now we can see all the different assets having different spots here. It might be quite amusing just watching that, I guess. But yeah, whatever, they will probably take 1 to 2 hours to fix that. So everybody's gonna go, so I think crypto Twitter is gonna grow crazy, and they're gonna be all these wild theories. It's gonna be amusing. But yeah, that's basically it. That's everything I want to tell you here. So you can see in that one spot Ethereum, we can see well, USDC seems to be a good investment, as we see that it's not 1 to 1. Oh no, it's tanking. Yeah, like I said, it might be quite interesting. Yeah, seeing all the speculation and stuff like that. Where's XRP? Let's see. Oh no, XRP is not in top 100 anymore. Oh, yeah, it's quite interesting. So like I said, they're having huge issues apparently with parsing, and that's why everything's going crazy. Alright, so hopefully I was able to explain to you that this is just a bug with CoinMarketCap. I hope you know that. I hope you know that this does not reflect what is actually going on in the markets right now. That this is just parsing as well. That CoinMarketCap is having an issue with parsing the data feeds. As we can see right here, that again, if you click on market and Ethereum, you can see right now that there are like data feeds claiming, oh, it looks actually good, but here crypto.com is claiming incorrect ones, and Binance as well, so they're just parsing it incorrectly. So I would assume, because I don't assume that all these exchanges are doing it, having a mistake here, I'm just assuming that CoinMarketCap has the issue. Alright, that's it, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.